Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. That's the topic. So any equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the form of a quadratic equation. Every quadratic equation is always of this form. It has the highest power of 2. That means the variable carries 2 as the highest power. The highest power in this equation is 2. So that's what makes it a quadratic equation. If the highest power here, if it is 3, it is no longer a quadratic equation. It is a cubic equation. So you have to take note of that. So this is a quadratic equation. Always note that the highest power in a quadratic equation is 2. So it's of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant, which is equals to 0. So there are several methods of solving quadratic equation. Now let me go on to list some examples of quadratic equations for you, so you can see examples of quadratic equations. Number 1, I'm just trying to form, just trying to form them so you can see. When you see an equation like this, x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. This is an equation because if you look at it, this is a quadratic equation. If you look at it, it takes this form. The highest power here is x. The coefficient of x squared here is 1. The coefficient of x here is 2. This is 1. The constant here is 1 equals to 0. This is a kind of quadratic equation. Now you can have something like this too. Look at this. 3x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. This is another kind of quadratic equation. Coefficient here is 3. Coefficient of x squared here is 3. Coefficient of x here is 4. And constant is 3. Then another kind of example, you can have something like this. X squared plus 1 is equal to 0. This is also a kind of quadratic equation. Do you know why? Because in this kind of equation now, it still looks like this, just that here the coefficient of x squared here is 1, x here is 0, so the coefficient of algebra is 0, and the constant here is c. You understand? So this is another kind of quadratic equation. I can go on and on and on and on and continue to list it. So friends, this is my first time I'm posting on YouTube. I just created a new YouTube channel, and I will be posting about mathematics every day. We'll take a we'll take a topic every week, and we'll solve examples and problems on that particular topic. We'll take it every day. So for a week, Monday to Sundays, I will always drop a video. So if the topic is broad, we might take it for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depending on how it is. So please, I'm begging you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can click on the notification bell so that when I post a new video, you get to see. And also, if you have any question, please feel free to drop them in the comment section, and I would reply to them. If you have suggestions, you can post them as well. I will reply everybody, and I will follow your recommendations strictly. Thank you very much. You can as well share the video for others to see. Please, I'm begging you, please subscribe so that the video can reach a wider audience. I'm passionate about helping young people know mathematics. Not only young people, even old people, any category, both young and old. Mathematics is something everyone should understand. It shouldn't be very difficult. So yeah, that is it. So let's have a recap of what we just did now. This is the form of a quadratic equation. So when you hear a quadratic equation, what comes to your mind first is an equation that has the highest power as 2, which is this raised to power 2. It's always raised to power 2. 2 is the highest power. So let's have this form: ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So in our next video, we'll be looking at the kind of methods, because there are several methods. We're looking at the different methods you can use in solving quadratic equations. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye.